Whoa!
All right, is everyone okay?
Yeah.
Could you please give us a warning next time you're gonna sneeze?
Not really. I don't have any control of it because they come out so fast. Please just run away from me if I start sneezing. I would hate to have any of you get hurt.
Is lightning that dangerous?
It's very dangerous. It can make 1 billion volts of electricity.
Huh? That's a lot of volts.
How strong is that?
Well, let's say it's strong enough.